Welcome to our tutorial channel on how to make a logo design with Coreldraw. In this video, we show you through the step to design or make a stunning, personalized, lovely logo for your brand. So let's get started. First, open Coreldraw, create a new document, set dimension according to your canvas size requirement. Next, your brand color that will make your logo stand out. See how we cut it, Ctrl X to stand as part of the icon. So we change the font. Change the font. So this span to intersect, and we use the shape to trim parts out of the font. Then we shift by left click, double click to adjust, right click, choosing your brand color by left click, then adjust the font, dragging the edge, shift F3 to change case. By option, enlarge, then F10 or cutting tools to adjust the text, rectangular shape, then page up, change the color, change the color of the font. So this is how we get it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tutorial and tips. See it. Yeah, we get it done. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.